To set double press home button function on your Galaxy Watch to activate water clock feature, you can do so by using two ways: directly from your watch setting menu from the Wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the Wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so on your phone, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap buttons and gestures. Under home button section, tap double press. And then under feature section, select water lock. To see how it works, press the home button on your watch twice to easily activate water lock. So, given to the function, setting the double press home button function to activate water lock mode will allow you to quickly protect your watch from accidental water-related interaction, making it especially useful before swimming, showering, or washing your hands. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.